Tequila, sotol, aguardiente, even pulque, which is an ancient drink from one of the oldest civilizations in the world, Mexico, doesn't express the essence of the country as much as this drink does. Which drink am I talking about? Mezcal. When you talk about the culture of Mexico, it seems incomplete without the mention of mezcal. It's not just the most beloved drink of Mexico, but it's also because it's one of the most preserved artisanal drinks that comes out of the country. Hence, mezcal enjoys a privileged position when it comes to observing different religious rituals in Mexico. So what is mezcal? Mezcal is a distilled spirit made from agave produced in different designated states of Mexico. The word mezcal comes from the word mezcali, which also means overcooked agave. How is mezcal made? Mezcal is made from the agaves that are grown all across Mexico, and there are almost 30 kinds of agaves which are used for producing mezcal. Unlike tequila, which is made from only blue wave agave, the most popular or the most widely used agave plant is espadin. It's not very clear whether the Mexicans used to distill spirits much before the Spanish brought in the distillation techniques to the country, but there was fermented agave juice that was being enjoyed by Mexicans much before the Spanish landed in Mexico. Usually it takes 5 to 10 to 15, 20 years for most of the agave plants to mature, but espadin usually takes 5 years to mature, and after the maturity, the harvest is done. When the harvesting of agave plant is done, the heart or the piña basically is taken to the mezcal distillery. Now the piña is cooked in an earthen pit, which is lasts for around 24 hours, and then once the cooked piña are collected together, they are taken to the tahona where the stone crushers are there, being operated by mules or horses, and once the crushing is done, then happens the fermentation. After the fermentation is the distillation process. Mezcal is distilled in such traditional way that even your mezcalero, the distiller, can sometimes tell you the exact volume of alcohol in the end spirit by blowing into the spirit through a bamboo stick. Oaxaca is the largest mezcal producing state in Mexico. Now let's talk about some of the myths that surround mezcal. First and the most important one, a worm in your bottle is as mythical as this alibri is. But there are some mezcal which have worm, as you can see here, that's added to the bottle at the end of the bottling process, which started as a marketing gimmick by some of the mezcal producers, have now become so popular that some producers still add a worm at the end of the production process to give some amount of flavor and obviously create a kind of marketing buzz around the product as well. Tequila is the cousin of mezcal or a kind of mezcal, but mezcal is not tequila. So how do you enjoy mezcal? Just this way. Few slices of lemon, sprinkle a little bit of sal de gusano de maguey, and your mezcal in a shot glass. You can also enjoy mezcal in your mojitos, margaritas, or for someone like me, old fashioned as well. As the saying goes in Mexico, para todo mal mezcal, y para todo bien también. Salud. If you found this video useful, do comment and let us know. Keep following Drinks and Destinations. Until next time, salud.